Hey guys, Jeremy here from the School of Wok, Covent Garden. It's Christmas time and we know you've got leftover roast ready to cook up. So what better solution than the School of Wok stir-fry kit? It's Wok Wednesdays, it's a spicy Sichuan Christmas turkey. So all you need with our stir-fry kits is a little bit of meat, leftover turkey, anything like that you've cooked yesterday, and then some onion and some pepper, both if you wish, or just one of. You can get our stir-fry kits in both Waitrose and Tesco, so nice and simple. All we have to do is slice it up, get it ready to go. I'm going for chunks of onion here. As long as you've got some seriously good wok hay, and you're going to make a great, simple, leftover stir-fry. It's quite a big pepper here, so I'm going to go for about half of that. Again, similar sort of dices. Everything's sort of chopped up and ready, nice and quick. We'll get over to the kit now. The first sachet is a simple marinade. It's essentially a light soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of sugar. So we're just gonna sort of massage around my leftover turkey meat. And the nice thing about this for after Christmas is, you know, it's all great having a roast and everything like that, but it's quite nice to have different flavours every day rather than just eat roast every day during the Christmas period. You can see just enough marinade to go around my turkey. Next up, we've got our spice mix. And this Sichuan spice mix is essentially crushed Sichuan peppercorn, some dry red chilies. They're there to impart flavour, not to be eaten really, but you've got some dry garlic in there as well to give that base sort of strength of flavour. And then the sauce, which goes last, is made up of a chili garlic paste, some hoisin sauce, a little bit of light soy, and some rice wine. Really, really simple, but it's there for a quick meal. Now we've tested this 100 different ways. If you literally just threw everything in, it still tastes good. But if you want to perfect your stir fry, then the same rules that I teach every day still apply. Your wok needs to be nice and hot. You want to be able to cool your wok down in a few different ways. 4 ways, if you haven't seen it already. Number 1, stirring. Number 2, pushing and folding with your spoon. Number 3, a wok toss. Long push forward and a quick flick back. And number 4, which a lot of people are starting to enjoy now, the tummy and the head. Round and round, back and forwards, round and round, back and forwards. Round and round with your spoon, back and forwards with your wok. It's going to be quick cooking from here on in. I've got my onions and my peppers ready to go. It's on a high heat, my wok, so just a little bit of oil around the edge, and then they can go straight in. Just break up any clumps of onion. Just keep that tummy and the head movement going, just to keep the heat of the wok moving around nicely. Now remember, if you are using leftovers, your meat's already cooked, so it just needs a quick sear before we start to finish off your stir fry. Push that to the back, allow space for your meat. And if you've got a sort of dry wok like this, then just a little drizzle of oil, ready for your meat. Make sure that the wok is smoking hot. It's on a high heat, smoking hot, my meat can go in. Great sizzling sound. Never lose your sizzle, guys. So bring that onion and pepper over the top of my meat so it doesn't burn. Just sear into that. High heat all the way. The marinated meat from my stir fry kit has gone in. Give that a good tummy in the head and a flick through. Getting a nice charring on those onions and the meat now. At this point, your dry spices can go in. Whoa, look at that. Fold that through gently. You've got a nice charred colour. Right, high heat guys, before you pour your sauce in, and then your sauce can go straight over the top. Woo! That is really smoking hot. Now you want to bring your sauce to a good boil. You can see that vigorously boiling there. And you're going to cook that through for about a minute to two, depending on how confident you are with your wok cooking. So again, the meat has already been cooked once. So there's this twice cooked turkey here. I just want the sauce to wrap around. So we've got a great caramelized texture here. And you can see that great charring on the turkey. Just enough sauce to wrap around the meat and veg. Now if that isn't a better way to use up your leftovers, then I don't know what is. Time to dig in. Straight in. So simple. Interesting thing, using leftover meat, whether it's roasted or poached, however you've cooked it, is that twice cooking is a type of technique in Chinese cooking that really sort of brings out the succulence of the meat. Really tasty, great balance of flavours, but that spice, slight bit of sweetness. Get your hands onto the School of Wok stir-fry kit and it'll make your Christmas leftovers that much better. If you like this video and you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel.